What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of my top 5 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And yeah, I mean, it's every week the same. Very tough for me to select. I tried to make it this time faster for me. Didn't work. Always takes like 15 to 20 minutes until I have my decision, until I have my ranking and all that stuff. But without further ado, let's go into this. And there were a lot of special hats, and I would put in more in my top 5, but that's exactly how this works. So I just can select 5 hats, and I would like to start off with this special one, the Scribble Fade, and this came out absolutely amazing. And you can already see it here, the Oakland Athletics, and this looks like drawn by hand. And the details are very, very cool. It's only just a little bit slightly raised. Then you got those 2 stars in the team color. And then I added like liquid titanium on the side for the Oakland Coliseum, and also added the team color detail. And then you got a fully liquid titanium Batman flat on the back. This is my 5th place this week from Topperzstore and yeah, Topperzstore USA, because we have more and more international releases now for you guys. So my 2nd place, and boy oh boy, this was a crazy stream on Monday. I would like to thank you guys very much for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow again. And I'm not sure if we can top that, but I will try, okay? I'll try. So this was the Minor League Monday drop from last week, the Knoxville Smokies, and this came out so good, this hat. I was not expecting that it looks great like this, because, you know, I already told you multiple times, when you're making those designs together with your wrap, you already have a feeling, but then you see it in hand, right? And this Everest green goes so well together with the camo button and brim. And then you got the Southern League side patch, which is always a banger in my opinion. And then you got here the Minor League Batman on the back, the new one, the Knoxville Smokies, and this color goes absolutely great together. Fantastic, fine detailed metallics, gray UV, black guts. My 4th place this week from Topperzstore. So now it's getting really metallic. And you guys know I always like to try to make experiments, and I wanted to make a San Diego Padres hat, which is absolutely different, that's for sure. So all black, gray UV, black guts. This Sugar Skull is my 3rd place this week. And this metallic silver and metallic gold looks so amazing together. And then you have this San Diego Padres side patch, which is more shiny, looks absolutely great. If you wear this hat in sunlight, you will not believe it. Then you got a golden MLB Batman flat on the back, super clean hat. And shout outs to our friends from New Era, super nice embroidery, great hat, came out exactly like I expected it. Black guts, beautiful hat. My 3rd place this week. So 2 more hats, and this decision was not easy, okay? So my 2nd place, and I know you guys like those 24K gold hats, and I mean the timing was perfect, because we needed to bring in the Florida Panthers. They won the championship now, they won the cup again, and with this 30th anniversary side patch, this looks really, really, really good. And come on, you cannot go wrong with this. And if you already have some of these 24K series hats, you know that you can see all the details on this hat. Beautiful, absolutely nice with this gold. And then you got also here the vintage shield. First time that we have the vintage shield as a 24K version. Beautiful hat, gray UV, black guts. I'm not 100% sure if this was true. So I think on the Sharks we also had one. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is my 2nd place this week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And now my 1st place is a very special one, because I couldn't wait to have this new side patch in hand for the first time. And yeah, you know, Alex Ovechkin, I'm just looking at this beautiful side patch, which I'm showing off in a second. The all-time goals leader, and this is epic, this hat, and I want to make it like really, really banging. And this Washington Capitals came out amazing. Look at this. Oh my God. Metallic blue, metallic copper. You got this oceanside blue crown. And then you got this beautiful side patch where Ovechkin is celebrating inside there. Beautiful hat. There are 2 side patches. We dropped both this week. And oh my God, this is a very nice hat. And yeah, Ovi deserved a very nice hat, and that's what came out. So beautiful hat. The Washington Capitals is my #1 this week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. Let me know in the comments below, do you agree with my selection or do you have a different opinion? And let me know if yes, which hats are in your top 5 this week. Which hats did you buy, and or which hats are you going to buy if they are still on the site. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. It's totally free and you can join the greatest hat community on this planet. And if you liked the video, of course, also hit the like button. I would like to thank you guys very much for tuning in, and I hope to see you again tomorrow on another episode, Cap Talk episode 198, and we are going to have a lot of fun in our live stream on YouTube. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I'm out. Thank you.